Hi traders, this is Kriska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below to get the latest updates whenever I release new videos on trading financial markets, on cryptocurrencies, gold, and forex. So for today, what I would want to share with you is how I use different types of charts whenever I am trading the markets. So there are three types of illustrations that we have in our charts. So we have line charts, candlestick, and of course your bar charts. So for me, when I trade the markets, I usually use bar charts when I want to see the close of the bar. Usually, it will give you a good look on where does the close happen. For candlestick, it usually gives me an idea of the strength of a bar. Is the body of the bar big enough so as to show its strength? This is really important whenever I identify breakout in trends and in channels. Okay, so for line charts, it acts as good connecting points where you can see where does the close happen. So I usually draw my trend lines and I usually draw my channels utilizing line charts. So when I want to see whether there is a break in trend lines or in channels, I usually shift my connect this low to this higher low. So it gives you this kind of trend line. Okay. So we use line charts for us to identify the areas where we would want to connect for your trend line identification. And then I use my candlestick to investigate further if there is a break in the trend line. So example for here. So for a correction, let's see. So what type of candle or what is the strength behind the break? So this is a great indication of a strength behind the break because of the quality of the bar, which is a big green bar. And if also you would want to see the close of the bar, I will immediately shift my charts into bar charts so I would see visually what type of close happened right here. Because this can also be considered as a close outside the trend, but this is way good indication that there is really a break behind this trend line. So the same goes for here. If I would want to investigate what happened right here, this is for bigger charts. So if I would want to see the strength or the quality of the candlestick that break that trend line, so you would see that this is a strong red right here. So this could be a sign, potentially sign that this will just continue to trend downwards. Okay, so if we will make a connection high and your lower high, 2 points for your trend line. Then this is your trend line, this was your break. Okay, so right there. Okay, I will be waiting for opportunities to sell because right now there has been a new low. This is your lower low and lower high. So therefore, it is continuing to create a correction. Maybe it's forming a correction, bigger correction in a higher time frame. So it would potentially reach this level, touching this trend line right here. So with that, Short term, I can be able to capitalize by taking selling opportunities when the price will reach this trend line. And the same goes if there is a breakout edge signal that will happen right here, together with alignment to the trend pro indicator right here. So it should be red, and then I'll be waiting for breakout edge signal before I take this trade. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want to get a copy of Breakout Edge and Trend Pro, all you have to do is just look at the description below so that you will be directed to the link where you can purchase these indicators. And also, if you would want to experience tight spreads and fast execution, all you have to do is sign up with our broker, which is RoboForex. They're also offering a $30 welcome bonus if you sign up with them today. Right, so see you again tomorrow for another financial market reviews.